Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. You're in Unit 2, Accounts of Not-for-Profit Organization, right? In the previous problem, we learned how to prepare income and expenditure account, right? So today we're going to see another problem. Same, you're going to prepare income and expenditure of Kumbakonam Basketball Association, right? Now, first, let us read the problem. From the following receipts and payments account, prepare income and expenditure account of Kumbakonam Basketball Association for the year ending 31st March 2018. Right. Now, you have receipts given here and payment. You have opening balance and closing balance of the receipts and payment account. And they've given you some expenditures and some receipts. Right? These are the expenditures, payments they made. Rent, printing, bank, insurance, tournament expenses, audit fees, post material purchase, and then here you have some receipts given. Now, first thing what I told you, as soon as you read the problem, you just identify whether it is a capital receipt or a capital expenditure, whether it is a revenue receipt or a revenue expenditure. So once you identify it, it's easy for you to do your problem. So I told you if it is a revenue expenditure, it's going to be recurring in nature. So it's not a one-time investment. It's not like purchase of an investment or lifetime membership. Lifetime membership and all is a capital receipt. Okay, legacy is a capital receipt. Or specific donations, sale on fixed assets. Then a specific fund, the tournament fund, the prize fund. These are all your capital receipts. So you should be very careful when you select the right one. Now you have rent, of course, recurring revenue expenditure. Then printing charges. Recurring, bank charges, yes. Insurance for building, yes. Tournament expenditure, yes. If you go to income and expenditure account, yes. Audit fee. Sports material, it's not an equipment, is it? So this can be included in your expenditure, right? I think we have a selection of balance, of course, will not come. Now let us come to the receipt side. Rent, yes, of course. Subscription, yes. Life membership is a capital receipt that will not come. Then locker rent, of course, that will be it's a revenue receipt. So it will come to the receipt. Right. Now that we have done that, all you have to do is just copy the figure and then find out the surplus and deficit. Right. Now, shall we go into the problem? Okay. I'll keep it in such a way that we are able to see all the figures. First, we copy all the figures so that we don't omit anything. Right. Now, let us start the problem. Heading in the books of Kumbakonam, right? Kumbakonam Basketball Association. Right. Income and expenditure. Income and expenditure account for the year 31st March 2018. Right. Okay, now let us copy the expenditures first so that rent of the ground paid 12,000. Printing charges 5,000. Okay. Just remember these two figures so that expenditure first two. What is the first one? Rent on ground. Rent of ground 12,000. Right? And then you had your printing charges. Printing charges is 5,000. Okay. Then 2, bank charges. What is the bank charge? 1,000. Right. Next you had tournament expense. Okay. What is tournament expense? 16,000. Then 2 audit fees. So audit fees is 3,000. Then, okay, audit fees is 3,000. Two sports material. Two sports material. Two sports materials purchased. That was how much? 4,000, right? Okay. Two insurance. Two insurance for building. So that is 2,000. Okay. Now we have completed the expenditure. Now receipts. What are all in the rest? Opening balance and closing balance, obviously you will not going to take. We have marked all, what are all the revenue receipts, right? By rent. By rent of all received. By rent of all received. Okay, so that is how much? 6,000. Okay, then by subscription received. By subscription received. How much was the subscription amount? 9,000. Right? Okay. Then by locker rent received. The amount is 2,000. So when you go and play a basketball, obviously you'll be using a locker. So you'll be paying rent for it. Subscription. Subscription is over yearly subscription, half yearly subscription, monthly subscription. You subscribe to play there, isn't it? Okay. That is the subscription received, rent received, then rent for the hall received and all that. Okay. You are paying here, and you are receiving here. Okay, just see whether we have left out anything. You can go back to the problem and check. See here, rent for hall received, subscription received, locker rent. Okay, that's only 3 items. Here we have some 7 items. We have already checked that, right? So that's it. We are finished. Okay. Now I think we can total. See, which side is more, debit side or credit side? You write your debit and then you write your credit. Okay, if you don't write, you lose half mark. Remember that. So let us total. Let us give enough space and then total it. Okay. Now 17, 18. Okay. 18, 28 plus 9. 37 you have, 37 plus 6, 43, right? Yeah, 43. Okay. If you want, you can count to check once again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you have 15, 25, 35, 35, 37, 37, okay. I've checked it. So 15 plus 2, 17. So 3 minus 1, 2. So that comes to 26. Now that you have your balance this side, debit is more. So you have a credit balance, right? Now what if you get the balance on the credit side? Do you have surplus or deficit? By deficit. And you have a deficit. So you have excess of expenditure. Excess of expenditure. Excess of expenditure over income. Right? Okay. Now we have done this. Done with this problem. I hope you understood this. Again, I will meet you in the next problem, children. Thank you.